we are all on our left foot. We go step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch.
If you can do the twisties, feel free. Optional, but you can.
Yep. From there, we did it sort of facing our partner, and we should interlock. So followers, we start going back first.
Forward first.
Forward.
I go back like normal because life is easy for leaders. The patriarchy from back in the day, probably. And then followers come like boop, pop, boop. And we just connect it. That's all you do. Now you're doing 20 Charleston. Twist is optional. You can do it like this and it's okay. Twists can come.
We did a turn.
Yes! And the turn happened on the one. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Exact same footwork. Followers and leaders, just think of touch, step, touch, step. It happens the whole time. Touch, step, touch, step. Easier without wings. We go touch, step, touch, step. There we are.
Then we got into and out of it. So we talked about magical number 5. When we're in 20 Charleston, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come back. Now we're doing basic side-by-side Charleston. If we want to get back, we just start down the rock step. We go rock step, go. Now we're here. So use the same legs either way forward. They'll just be going in a different direction. But the same legs, let's use right, left, right, left. Use the same legs. And we just mixed it up a whole bunch and did a whole bunch of Charleston, and you guys did an awesome job. Good work!